Modern and stylish 3-level townhouse with open floor plan and natural light flooding every room. The beautiful kitchen is a standout feature, offering an expansive layout with plenty of counter space. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or love hosting gatherings, this kitchen provides the functionality and style you desire. Escape to the oversized primary suite, a true sanctuary within the home. Enjoy ample space for a cozy sitting area, a king-size bed, and more. This is your private oasis to unwind and recharge. Enjoy the convenience of the spacious attached garage parking with a separate storage/utility room. The community amenities include pool, clubhouse, playground, basketball court, and workout area. Conveniently situated off Interstate I-79, offering seamless connectivity for all destinations.